I'm Scott Conzelman. I'm a fourth generation duck farmer at King Cole Ducks and acting general manager at King Cole Kitchens. Our focus at King Cole Ducks has always been farm to fork. Our process here and our facility allows us to be that final step in the process. We are a federally inspected cook plant and product development center. Our process is the batch process, so we focus on smaller quantities and making sure that we have the quality and the detail that we really look for in our product and that we offer to other customers. As a federally inspected facility, we have CFIA inspectors on site daily. We also maintain and improve our HACCP program on the regular, and we hold SQF and Halal certifications. We consider ourselves an artisanal batch plant. We have the capabilities of being quick and nimble with our products because we do work in those smaller batch processes. Our minimum batch size is 300 kilos, but we can go up to 2,000, 5,000 kilos depending on the product. With our ready processing, we have capabilities of open smokehouse, sous vide cooking, searing, or adding a marinade with our vacuum tumbler, vacuum packing it so we get all the flavor brought in there. As a final step in the King Cole farm to fork process, we produce a smoked duck breast, confit duck leg, a roasted half duck, and a rendered duck fat. The newest product that we've launched in the retail market is our duck wing drumettes. We work with a number of different suppliers and distributors in producing custom products for them. There's multiple different options that we can do when we're producing products for them. So we can either take their recipe and produce it, or we can actually take an idea, develop it with them or on our own. It's quite unique that we're able to take it from that idea stage to a fully finished product and provide it to them. Some of the products that we produce for our customers are beef short rib, pork belly, a pork back rib, chicken breast, a stuffed chicken breast, and a lamb rack. We also do a lamb shank and we do a pork shank. There's so many different options that we can do. Some of the equipment that we have on site are vacuum tumblers, double chamber vacuum machines, roll stock machine, smokehouse, cook kettle, and a couple different grills and sear tops. Whatever you're looking for in a new innovative product, if it's your own recipe or if you want us to create something custom just for you, we'd love to work with you. Give us a call.